Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to lock your Instagram profile or Instagram pic. Follow the steps, watch the video to end to know how to lock your Instagram profile. Let's start. You see there's a profile on the down your left hand side down. You click on it. When you click, you see there's a three line on your left hand side, three dot line on your right hand side corner. You click three lines, you go to settings and privacy. You click on settings and privacy. You go to account privacy. You click on account privacy. Please follow the video, watch it and follow the step. Let's continue. You click on private account. You click, you see switch to private. You click on it and switch to private. You go back here. You go to help. So you scroll down to help. You click on help. So on the help, you go to report program. You click on report program. You see, go back to shake phone. So you go to report program. You go to report program. Let me show you something. When you come here and I say go back to shake, go back to where you saw your program and shake the phone. You see there's a line here. You off it. You see report program. You click on it and report don't include here. Here you type this. What I've typed here, it will be on the description, so you can copy it. So here I need help with my profile picture. So what I've done, you also write the same thing and send Instagram. So when you send to Instagram, they will, in 2 days time, you see your account will be locked. When you send to Instagram, 2 days time, your account or your profile will be locked. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Please follow the steps to end. Bye bye.